what makes me really proud is the people at CONNSTEP. We as a team are committed to helping manufacturers. We're mission-driven, and we're willing to put not only our capabilities, but our commitment towards the industry. And then our ability to change, to be flexible, to adapt, and to make sure that we always keep manufacturers first in line. There is truly a community. People know each other. When you need a resource or you need a partner, it's just a phone call away.
My name's Alfredo Fernandez, and as the Vice Chair of the Board, being a part of this organization and being a part of this celebration specifically is taking a moment to pause as to where manufacturing has moved in the last 25 years, where it might go in the next 25 years, and all this organization has done in that time to bring us to where it is today and be really a key part of Connecticut's manufacturing ecosystem. You're never that far from another Connecticut manufacturer, even if you're going corner to corner in our small state. The small state packs a lot of a punch, and that's a good thing for us. Part of what makes us different than other big manufacturing states that are huge. We pack it all into a small little area. The mission is built around serving the small and medium manufacturers of our state, support that part of the ecosystem that is critical for national security, for retail, for all different types of sectors that Connecticut small and medium manufacturers are integral to.
My name is Rodenka Mary, and I'm President of University of Connecticut. The CONNSTEP started at University of Connecticut with the support of the small and medium-sized companies in Connecticut, manufacturers, and for me being engineer, it makes a great deal. Connecticut manufacturing, small and medium-sized companies are 80%. They help them with the marketing, they help them with the product development, they help them with getting the grants, so I think they are instrumental in their success.
My name is Allison Carey Lynch, and I'm with Carey Manufacturing. And Connecticut manufacturing is just such a special place. It's such a great ecosystem of people that really get along and care about making sure that manufacturing thrives within the state of Connecticut. Connecticut's manufacturing community is so special. It's really unlike any other in the country. I've been involved with CONNSTEP for many years in many roles. I'm a member of the board of directors, and we have used them for so many different projects, cybersecurity. And I actually attended the Quality Essentials program that allowed me to actually learn how to do my job and maintain our certification so we can continue doing business. So CONNSTEP has just been a really, really valued part of my company's life and me personally in my growth.
It makes me really happy and very proud because as I look around the room, I see my team, but I also see so many others that are as committed to this industry and to the state as I am.